game has conference Greater Shine gets its first win in the series. I'm joined by our win coach, Coach Yang Yao, and our best player of the game, Adrian Bong. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach, in coming into this series, you knew how much of a threat Robbie Wallace Jefferson was going to be, and today you managed to limit him while securing your first win in the series. How big is it for you that the best defender against Robbie Wallace Jefferson is a local?
RJ still scored 34 points. And he was key actually, he got 19 rebounds. He was key in the end game. He kept them close. Gave them a chance to win this game also, which is also what we're trying to do. Just give ourselves a chance in the end game to win it. Ang gusto lang namin, alam naman namin i-score si RJ. Ang gusto lang namin, every time he scores, he works for it, he earns it. We're hoping we can push this series into a long series. At least meron nakatuwan kami. That means minimum 5 games na to. Gusto namin umabot ng 7 games. We're physically and mentally prepared to play 7 games in this series. We designed our management of our minutes to be able to still be fresh in game 7. That's what we're hoping kung marating to. But for now, it's exam muna. You win one, that means we're going to have to play at least 5 games. We win another one, that means we're going to have to play another 6 games. The longer it takes, the better for us. Yun lang ang chance namin siguro na pagka naging short series ito sa kanila nito. Also, we had a really big break. Of course, nobody would wish it on anyone. Malaking bagay, injury ni Jason. Malaking bagay. Pero when it comes to this point in the playoffs, this is really breakdown time. Meron talagang malaki talaga chance na may mag-breakdown. Kami naman, yung last series, ang nawala sa amin si Kayla. We were not able to use it in our last series against TNT. So you have to be also prepared for those things happen. Minsan, swerte lang tayo maghanda kapag kami nahalas ka namin gagawa. But we've already matched our performance against them. 4-1 kami last time, 4-1 kami ngayon. So at least, napatayan na namin yung performance namin yung last time. Manalo pa kami isa, ibig sabihin, nag-improve na kami. So, yun, masaya na kami sa ganun.
Thank you, Coach Yang. Now, Adrian, na-mention na palagi ni Coach Yang how the first 2 games were winnable. Kakatalo lang pagdating sa endgame. Ano nagbago in those final movements na nakatulong sa pag-close out at pagkapanalo sa laro ito?
Yung sinasabi sa amin ni Coach nung nakaraan kasi yung decision making namin sa endgame ay yung malaking kanalo. So ngayon, nagawa namin yung paraan. Kaya nanalo ko ngayon. So hindi yung decision namin mga endgame.
Thank you. Thank you, Adrian. Going back to Coach Yang. Coach, you already mentioned as well, malaking bagay na nawala si Jason Castro, and TNT will be missing the services of him indefinitely. Pwede mo ikumpara at describe kung gaano kaiba yung laro kapag nandiyan si Jason and wala siya?
Stabilizer nila si Jason. I think he is playing, his minutes are also being managed. He's around 20 plus minutes. Pero yung quality yung nilalaro niya mga minuto, it's really the time that he's on court that he's able to make his teammates around him better. It's always been a problem on defense because he can assist, he can shoot the three, he can drive to the basket. So, ano yun, ang bagay talaga. Pero sabi ko nga, nga sila, nagawin nila si Jason, nakapagunan na sila ng 2 panalo. Meron na silang deposit ng 2 panalo. Pero, malaking bagay pa rin. Still a big break for us that they're not able to utilize it. But of course, you don't wish that on anybody. But again, sabi ko, ito yung panahon na nag-break ka ng mga players. Araw-araw ang laro, tapos matindi yung aggressiveness, intensity ng mga players, pwede talaga mangyari.
Thank you, Coach Nen. Now you would like to open the floor to your friends from the test.
Congratulations.
Salamat.
Because from mention after game 2 na could have been 2-0 on your side because of how was yung game sa first game and also tonight. Is there thoughts on that? On the games game?
We're pretty proud of our performance. I think ang importante rito is makita ng tao na lumalaban ka. Di hato kami rito kahit naman sabihin nila, hindi naman nila mababago lang sila daw ni Hato. Parang minamasa ko lang. Si Jerry at sila dito pero ang importante is fight every night, play at your best every night, prepare well, give the crowd, give the audience, give the basketball public the enjoyment that they're looking for when they want to see you play. Kami lang ang ano namin, and kahit anong mangyari, ang gusto mo, yung respeto pa sa lahat. You respect the game, you give everything that you have to win. Sometimes you have a bad night, sometimes you have a good night, that's part of basketball. But I think the public deserves that they see that you're playing their best. Yun lang ang importante.
After game 1, wala lang mo sinabi, tanig ko yung mga kasi push ko, tsaka yung basic basketball, yung more of the future basis of the season. As starting nangyari in Jason, the 2 games na nakatalayan ka, any takeaways or positive lessons na po after those 2 games?
Siyempre, una, sa mga natin na mabigyan nila ako ng nagiging sa sinasabi sa amin university, kung ganun po yung guard, yung point guard talaga yun. Kaya ko pumasa, kaya mag-create.
Model namin si Jason. Sabi ko, tingnan niyo maglaro niya. Marami kayo mag-create.
Marami kami natutunan sa kanya. Kaya sarap yung mga kalaban ng mga ganun.
Ang report pa sa loob ng Lazada, sa mga kalaban ko sa series na sa
Hindi kaya, siyempre mas malaking sa amin, malaking bagay sa amin natin na wala na si Jason kasi sobrang extended po yung day. Kaya niya talagang kung pinasok siya talagang kaya niya mag-contribute. So yun.
Okay, siya about yung depensa ng may RSG na-enjoy yung Johnson papalitan sila. Ano sa ginagawa niya sa trabaho?
Tayo marino nga yung dalawa eh. Kasi si Leon actually, papalit-palit sila nun. Pero score pa rin. Kahit 4th quarter, parang pagod. Pero binibit niya yung team, mag-isa siya. Nakita mo nga yung assist. No? Sa amin, 25 assist kami. Which is actually a good passing game. Sila 11 assist na. So, ibig sabihin talaga yung bola na nasa kamay ng RSG, wala kang magawa. Hindi mo ma-depensa, hindi nila kailangan magpasahan. Kay RSG lang, buhay ka na. So, sakit ng ulo yun, that's a problem we have to solve kasi for the next few games, makikita ulit natin.
Coach, Dylan Control was not only active on defense tonight but also kasama ko sa game natin.
Yes, marami ko sinasabi sa kanya, RSJ is playing off you. Kasi RSJ is always in the middle, trying to help out, trying to disrupt the offense, right? Deflect the passes, double team. That means he's open. That means he can take advantage when he has a good look, take it, when he can cut. So, see siya, when he can receive siya, offensive rebounds. That's what you get if your man is playing off you, and you have to take advantage.
Was that a lesson learned from game?
Si Kailan. Kaya namin siya hindi ginamit yung last conference, inaral muna namin para namin magamit sa conference. Hindi. Ano lang talaga, if you don't do that, RSJ is a problem offensive defense. So you have to find a way to mitigate your situation by being active, by being aggressive offensively, which yun ang ginawa ni Kailan today.
And that wraps up our post-game press conference. Thank you and congratulations once again, gentlemen.
Salamat.